Hey guys, we're gonna create two different C profiles together, so let's dive in. This tutorial is very essential for basic guys, so in case you're basic, pay closer attention. First of all, I drag and drop my reference image on my plane and control right click and line. I hold shift, click, 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 I release the shift, click, again hold the shift, click, 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 I release the shift, click, hold the shift, click, 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 and click, click, and I hit yes. These two vertices are gonna be aligned, so I hit 1 and I hit S. For snap, I select this vertex and I align it with another one. Now what to do here, I turn off the snap, I select these 4 vertices and I right click and Bezier corner. Now I select XY axis and I start to move these handles, just like what you're seeing. Perfect. Now I can give it an extrude and P and Z for perspective view. And now you can see that our first model is ready. Perfect. Delete and next object. Control right click, line, and I start placing the vertices. I hold shift wherever is needed, so you can watch the procedure. Now these two vertices need to be Bezier, so I select them and right click and Bezier. Then I move the handles until they become completely vertical. And the other ones should be Bezier corner, and I move the handles as you can see here. Nice. Now I can give it an extrude and I go to perspective view and our model is ready. Thanks for watching and good luck.